Magic. Boom. Very impressive. Hello everybody, it's Raw Hog here. We're gonna be looking at the big one today. Definitely check out the slider. Mounts underneath the desk, against walls, and it just sits. I mean, these are hefty safes. They're not light, you know, fragile safes. I mean, this has a Glock 17 in it, and it's standing there pretty good. Pretty solid. But anyways, that's not the main feature. Today, we're taking a look at this bad boy right here. Of course, as usual, you have your code here. That's preset from the factory, but look what that holds. You got two full-size 10 millimeters in there. This is Smith & Wesson M&P 10 millimeter with an optic. Then you have your Glock 20 Gen 5 with no optic, but working on that. But the main feature of these are the quick access, as I missed my fingerprint there. There it is. Pop it over. They have the padding, you have your light. Very easy. We're gonna take a minute and we're gonna show you how to set this up. It's very simple. You're gonna love it. So this is what the BlackSmith comes with. Comes with a very detailed manual. Comes with some hardware. I'd probably use my own, but it comes with your hardware to mount it to the floor, you know, secure it. Also comes with batteries. I'll tell you right now, I would just throw those batteries out. This thing has, when your batteries get low, it flashes yellow, like when you open it. So those were doing it. They were just off-brand. I would just throw those out, especially if you're betting your life on it. I would get rid of those. But this is what it comes with. So for starters, you have your keys. You have your door here where you put your keys in. You can open that. So if it all else fails, you can still access your safe with the keys. Has a backup battery cable. You just plug that in and plug it into a battery source and USB, and it powers it back up. But with the keys, that's really not needed, so those are very useful. Comes with a securing cable that you just take this off, run it through the hole on this side, if you can see that. You just run it through there. You can wrap it around, you know, metal, anything, secure it however you wish, so you can't, because these are used in, you can use it in home, cars, to keep them safe from, obviously theft. The manual is very detailed. I mean, I'm telling you, if you can read, which is a problem for a lot of people, but we'll go through this, show you how to set this up. But the manual is extremely nice. But out of the package, the first thing you'll have to do, because this doesn't have batteries in it, first thing you'll do is take your keys, you'll open it up, and then I'm gonna remove these here. All been cleared, don't you worry. Safety first. Right here's your battery panel, right there, if you can see that in there, and you may not be able to, but very simply, you know how to put that in. Just remove your foam here. You can get to that, put your batteries in. I'm not gonna waste time on that. Very nice protected foam. And then if you see here, here's where the cable runs through, so it catches in there, so you can secure that to whatever you desire. And then your button right here where you see the set. So you push it here, and again, it's already set up. So I'm gonna take these keys out, and I'm gonna show you. So it comes with a preset code in the manual, and it is lock. Boom, it opens up. So now, all you have to do is do a soft press on this. Not soft enough. There we go. So lock. To keep it easy, I'm gonna go lock. Now you should be able to set your passcode. You can go up to 10 digits. Let's see if that worked. So you set your passcode. Very simple. I'm just doing that to show you for an example, but there's that. Now how you do the fingerprint here, so it's the same situation. Give it a little light press. Let's go in there. Now you do it 3 times. Rotate your finger around. And now 3 times, and now your fingerprint is scanned and should be in there. And it opens up. So very easy. Now this fingerprint right here, you can hold multiples. So you can do multiple fingers. You can have your wife, of course, or anybody you need to have access to this other than yourself. So that is a nice feature. One thing I will say though, I played guitar just a little bit, kind of a big deal. you know, kind of a big deal. But I play guitar, and I come in here when I took a little break when I was trying to rehearse a little bit for this. Played some guitar, took a break, and it messed up my fingerprint with a line across it, so it wouldn't open it. So I'm just saying, maybe need to put another finger in there, or your offhand, something like that. Just something to think about. Nothing, you know, nothing too crazy. But other than that, I mean, that's basically it. You know, the manual is very detailed. One thing they do, I will show you. We'll take a little cut. All right, the only thing left to do is show you the app and how to do that and how to open it remotely and all that good stuff. This manual is extremely detailed, like I was saying. All you have to do is take your camera, scan the code there, it pops up, and then you just, you know, you download it, it downloads it, and then you hit add device. It should show up automatically. Click it, and then once you click it, it says, you know, scan complete, the pistol safe. Then you have this symbol right here. So I haven't done it yet, but there it is. We're all set up. Tells you your information, your battery life, and all that. So you just slide it over, it pops up. So there you go. Very neat. Very neat. Very simple. You know, and don't worry if you have any questions or, you know, problems. Manual's very detailed.